Hey guys, so today's question is winner in a circular game. So this is easy question, but it is quite tricky one. So it shouldn't be in the easy section. So very acceptance rate is few. So I have solved in the first attempt. So let me take to description of the problem. So you have to find a loser in a circular game. So there is n friends playing a game numbered from 1 to n, and in the circle, and they are numbered 1 to n in the clockwise order. More formally, moving the clockwise from the ith friend, that is the first friend, to the I plus 1 friend, from 1 to less than equal to n, moving the clockwise, and bring you the first friend. So it is a circular. All the friends are sitting in a circular. So next to the 5 is sitting the 1, and so means they are circular connected. So you have the rules of the game is as follows: the first friend receives the balls. Okay. So the first time the ball is in the hands of the first person. After the first person passes the cape, who is k steps away from the clockwise. So the first person should pass the ball to the person which is 1 into k. Then the other person, second person should pass into the 2 into k, and so on. So you have to after any person receives the ball second time. Suppose third person receives the ball second time, so we have to end the game, and we have to return the n array the persons who did not receive the ball any time. So I have used the recursion here and a few things. So let me explain you. So initially n and k is given. So I've taken an array list and a linked hash map to store in the key value pair that who all other person who has received the ball only one time, two times, or three times. Whenever person in a circular game receives the ball second time, so I will break the recursion and will return the persons who have not received the ball anytime. So starting from 1 to n, I'm initializing my linked hash map. So I have put I equal to 1 for the first one because the first person has the first ball, so it is already counted, and all other person is 0. So I'm making a call. I will start make equal to 1. So start will change from time to time. So I will make start change time to time because at the end the person who receives the ball will be the starting the loop and moving forward. So initially start equal to 1 because there is a person from 1 to n. And n and k, map, I will pass the map, and it is the I will use it for the next counting the next person, that is for the first person 1 into 2, 1 into k, it into k for me, it into 2 3 for the third person, and I will increment the it in the recursion. So making the call to the this function, I have passed this map and two variables, and it and start. So for the first person, it should be 1 into k. So I have to move two position more. So start is initially 1, and start will change. So while true, if I equal to 1, to start it will be equal to 1, because when the loop will end, I will put it to 1 if the next has more elements. So I have to move two elements beyond. So if because it is a circular array, if the next has elements remaining, so again we have to start the loop. So if next becomes 0, so I have consumed all the people. So the people whose ball in the hand will be the ith person. I will get the count and increase the count, and I will initialize the start value and break the outer. After it, I will check the map, I will increment the IT, so the next person will be 2 into k, and the next 3 into k, until I found a person which has received the ball two times. So here in the first example, one person starting from 1, it has received one time, second person will receive in the second go, and after that third person receives two times. 4 and fifth person doesn't receive. Till my count is 0, I will make the recursive call, and I will after that I will return the map. After returning the map, I will say that whose person are key equal to 0. I will add that key, sort the list, and convert it to the array and return the array. So this is quite tricky and easy.